Customer relationships are an important part of any business. But the more a business grows, the harder it gets to manage all those relationships. Everybody's trying to keep track of conversations in their own way. Sales, management, customer service, they're all using something different. But the problem is, none of these systems are connected to each other. So when customers call in, they get treated like first-time callers, when actually, they're long-time customers. And the constant reintroducing and re-explaining who they are and what they need gets really old. And that's how you start losing customers. What you really need is some Sugar. Sugar CRM is an easy-to-use app that puts all the information about your customers in one place. Every conversation, every order, every support call, everything about the interaction between you and your customers. It's all right there in one safe place so that everyone on your team can have the exact same view of the customer, no matter when they call or who they talk to. Not only that, Sugar is also mobile, so regardless of where you are, you always have access to all this information. It even integrates social media to make for a more personal interaction. Sugar eliminates confusion so that your entire team can work together to provide awesome service to your customers. Not only that, since Sugar is an open platform, it also connects to finance and accounting, ERP, sales compensation, marketing, and all that other stuff you already use to run your business. It actually adapts and grows as your business grows. So don't let your customer relationships go sour. Come get some Sugar today.